Alright, time to put this all together. So I went ahead and blasted this and cleaned it. So got a nice good satin finish on it. Same on this one. So it's nice and clean looking. Just wipe it down, scrub it down with a brush, you're good to go. That's the finish we use around here. Alright, so one problem we got on this project is they have washers on the back side of these bolts because they're too damn long, I guess. Now, what I don't understand is why do they not just unscrew the bolts out of here and do it the easy way. Put the washer on the back side. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can take those off and do it that way. The problem is that the belt is rubbing on the inside of the belt guard. So, got these studs right down here. Right in here. These are just standoffs, they don't do anything. So they have these washers in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull those out and one at a time. Put them back in and should be take care of the problem. Because trying to jab a washer between here and that plate, especially when I got two plates stacked up, would be pretty difficult to do. Just about impossible without gluing them. Somehow you got to glue them in. That's way too much work. So let's go see what we got here to work with. Yep, come out nice and easy. Get a little Loctite on there. Just take the washer and stuff it in there. Dab of Loctite on there. That should give me the correct standoff. Way less work. And if you need to put more than one on there, you can. I definitely got Loctite on these. And just broke the bolt off. Now we got work to do. Pretty weak stud to break that off that easy. Must have been using oil thread or something. Don't know what they were using on that bolt, but it's definitely not going to be going back together tonight. Not like that. These projects tend to escalate. That ain't the right word. Exulate. Like that. Ah, forget it. Too tired. There's another one that's tight. I know, we just leave one out. You don't need all those bolts in there, do we? Yeah, right. Like I would do that. Okay. Yep, that's going to be fun. Job due for another day. It's midnight. I guess it is another day now. You don't want to work till 3 a.m. like we did last night. I think it's 4, but... Alright, so there's the hole. Yeah, you can't see anyway. So that was coming out, but then it wasn't. So, alright, so that's about halfway out. I'm going to have to go in there and drill that out, and hopefully it comes out too much effort. And then this one here, got the same problem. This I can do in a lathe, so it's a lot easier. I wonder if my fancy pliers will work. Let's see how good these Krypnik's pliers are. These are supposed to be good. They're good at pinching my finger. I noticed that. Let's see. Got a pretty good bite on there. Let's see. It'll take more effort than that. Okay, let's see what happens here. Geez, yeah. Washer taken off, flying in the moon. Don't lose that. Alright, let's go over here with a... Usually only got one chance to get this stuff out before it's done. So, let's go ahead and try to manhandle this out of here. Well, if you heat this up with a torch, it'd come out real easy, but what do we want to do that for? Testing out these pliers, see? Alright, these Krypnik's pliers are working good. Fancy. Nice sharp edges are working good. Looks like a set screw, so I don't know why that sheared off. It was a grade butter set screw, obviously. But, yeah, whatever. That thing's really tearing up easy for being... This is not a good set screw. It's definitely butter. Probably bought it at some stupid dime store. Use good hardware on your bike. Things don't break like this. Now you got to spend more time fixing it than it's worth. Alright, well I got that one out. You see how hard it was to get that out of there? Now I can get that other one out of the other side. Except I won't be able to put a pair of pliers on that one. We can't use these on that. I'll have to drill it, tap it, and do an easy out. Okay. Well, that's it for now, I guess. One more curveball thrown at me. But anyway, there's how the covers look, so... It'll look like this. They'll sit on there just like that. So our first sample was this one. So second sample was this one. So third sample wasn't much different than second one. So there you go. Alright, that is it for tonight. That will have to be done another day.